Hi everyone and welcome back to Burnout Bros. So me and Jake this morning are just doing a quick tutorial on how to launch the E92 M3. A lot of people probably didn't realise that DCT E92 M3s have a launch control function. So I didn't realise when I first got it, and it took me a while to understand exactly how to use it. So I thought, why not make a video and help you guys out. So I hope you enjoy the video.
Thanks guys.
So I'm just going to show you exactly how to engage the launch control feature. So it's very simple, but I have my M mode set up with MDM. So the first thing I have to do is turn the traction control off. So there's a button just down here. I'm sure you're very used to it if you own this car. And the shift, I suppose you could call it shift ferocity or something like that, shift speed. It actually comes up, if you look there, where it shows it's in gear 1, there's an extra bar. So when you turn traction control off, it actually has an extra setting. So you literally just press it up as so, and now traction control's off, the gearbox is in the quickest mode, and it's as simple as now, the gear stick there, it is a bit of a silly design. So you have to come off of the brake in first gear and hold the lever until the launch control bit comes up on the MMI and the flag comes up just above, and as you can see I'm rolling away. As soon as I touch the brake it disengages. So what you need to do is as soon as the flag comes up and you're holding the gear stick forward, you put your foot flat out on the throttle. The car won't move until you let go of the gear stick, and it revs to 5,500 RPM. So be careful doing it because it will take you by surprise. The first time I did it, I nearly got very out of shape because you forget traction controls off, you go through the gears into third gear and you're probably still lighting up the rear tyres. So yeah, be careful, but it is a brilliant fun.
So another thing I've actually noticed, I've not spent too much time in Sam's M3, but he's got probably the best tyres you can put on it. Michelin 4S, they are awesome, Pilot Sports. We use these a lot for track and all that sort of stuff, and they're awesome. They just don't fade at all. So yeah, especially for doing a launch, I'd really recommend these sort of stuff. Obviously, Sam's doing the launch video, but they're wicked, aren't they?
You need good tyres. I had before these. The tyres were awful. They were just like budget tyres, and that's actually when I did my first launch control.
You just sit there spinning for days.
Sit there. And when you're not used to the car either, it's borderline, dangerous. It really is. So I can't recommend getting a good set of tyres on your M3 before you do anything like this. Yeah,
definitely. And obviously, if you're going to track it, these are such a good tyre for both the track and the road. They're very compliant. It's not like my Skyline where I've got Toyo R888Rs on. The sidewalls are so stiff. They're great in the dry, but
it done alright in the snow as well.
It done mega in the snow. I wish I could show you some of that, but probably shouldn't.
Yeah, probably shouldn't.
Probably shouldn't. But yeah, so I'd really recommend getting these tyres, you know, for any really performance car, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, definitely.
You know, I've driven so many supercars now with these tyres and the Cup 2s as well, and they're just fantastic.
It's just a must-have on these sort of cars.
Absolutely.
So yeah, go out there and buy some.
Go for it.
So the first launch control, so you'll see it outside. It should look pretty good. Multiple times, but that is genuinely one of the best launches this car's done. So I was going to make a video of saying launch control is absolutely pointless on the E92 M3, but the way that just launched is incredible. So I will show you how the car launches as well with the just a normal pull away. Because it is interesting to compare the launch control against the normal pull away, because I've always believed that the normal pull away is a bit quicker, but let's give that a go as well. spin a little bit and get the backhand out just ever so slightly, but it just pulls away so quick. Massively impressed. I think between them, the launch control was probably a bit quicker, which I never would have said. But yeah, no, awesome. It just sounds unreal. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I know it's very specific to the E92 M3, but I thought it's something that I've always wanted to share, just a quick how-to video, because I struggled when I got the car to even understand half of the buttons. So the launch control feature was something that I definitely wasn't going to do in the first week. But yeah, surprisingly today, yeah, the launch control actually worked. I've been telling Jake about how awful the launch control is on the E92 M3, and
well, every time he's engaged it so far, it's hooked up. Oh, it's not that bad, Sam.
Yeah. And every time I've done it, when it's me and my girlfriend in the car, or we've done other videos, as you've probably seen, it just spins the rear wheels up until like third gear, and you get nowhere. And I've always found that the best way to actually launch in the car was just leaving it in normal mode and just putting your foot flat with traction control on. Yeah. But today it's kind of proved me totally wrong, and launch control worked absolutely flawlessly, and the car is absolutely awesome. So please be sure to check out our future videos and some of our previous ones. We'll be doing weekly videos on our channel, Burnout Bros. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and come back for more in the future.
Thanks so much, guys.